National Grid is telling homeowners batten down the hatches, tie up any loose ends before this storm comes.
Our Tara Lynch has more on how the utility and the Queen City are preparing for possible damage and power outages. Tara.
Well, Dave and Kelsey, this is really the first blast from Old Man Winter this season. It's been relatively mild, and we're not talking about rain and snow. We're talking about those wind gusts. And National Grid and NYSEG both have extra crews on the ground already in case people lose power.
We don't have the luxury of leaving anything to chance, so we would rather over-prepare for an event like this, and that's, our strategy going into this.
Western New York is gearing up for 50, 60, or even 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts Tuesday and Wednesday. The winds out of the southeast are more unusual for this area because they aren't off the lake. Places below the escarpment in Chautauqua County could see the most damage, but the entire region is being monitored closely. The soft ground may allow for more trees to fall because the roots aren't set. Because of the risks, we're told extra crews from NYSEG and National Grid are pre-stationed in case people lose power.
Because we bring them in right away, as soon as we start to realize power outages, those crews can hit the ground running so that we can minimize the amount of time that our customers are out of power.
Make sure anything outside of your home is secured so it doesn't fly away in the gusts. The storm will start rocking the region Tuesday morning, so it's important to charge cell phones, portable chargers, and other devices beforehand. National Grid encourages people to use battery-operated lights instead of candles and to make sure you're using your generator safely.
Open your main breaker for the safety of our crews that are restoring power. Locate the generator as far from your house as possible. Close your doors, close your windows. Do not operate the generator in any enclosed space, including an attached garage.
Visibility on the roads could be limited at times because of blowing rain or snow, so take it slow if you're out and about.
Driving rain could cause some visibility issues, not like a blinding snow, but it could be windy. Your car will get buffeted around with the winds, so high winds, just use caution. Wet roads, use caution. Combine those two. Just be extra careful driving.
Garbage pickup in the city of Buffalo is still scheduled for Tuesday and Wednesday. If that changes, there will be a buff alert issued. And one travel note that we want to give you, empty tractor trailers and tandem tractor trailers, those are currently banned from the New York State Thruway from Syracuse all the way to the Pennsylvania line. For now, reporting live in Buffalo, Tara Lynch, News 4.